Hello, Jakob here. Today I want to make a little presentation video of the new CannaBass and especially the new pickup system because it's quite unique and it's something I kind of came up with on my own. And yeah, so that's the new bass. I've used a beige Hempstone body. And all the wood is walnut, so I think it's French walnut. That's quite a light wood, so I wanted to make the guitar less head heavy. So of course, the bass less head heavy because yeah, it's got like this long leverage and yeah, it's a little bit of a problem. I'm working on that, but. Yeah, the light wood helps out. And when Neo, who was playing on the last video, came to me, he said I should try out this Shadow Nanomag pickup. And on this guitar I've installed one. It's here on the fretboard, or underneath the fretboard. So it's in here, and it's normally a active pickup, so you got like the preamp from the Shadow Nanomag, and on the last CannaBass I had this K&K Pure Bass, and the Pure Bass also I liked very much, and we thought we might combine both. And yeah, I found a kind of preamp system that where you can combine two passive pickups, and I had to kind of try a little bit with the active Nanomag. I first thought I just kind of use the new preamp to fire up the Nanomag, but it didn't work, and it was a lot of trying back and forth and fiddling around. But now it works, and I made some recordings. I visited Neo again, and yeah, we made some recordings showcasing this new system, and I will show it in a second. But first, you have like the controls here, and here is like the mix control. So if you have it like this, it's just the Nanomag. On the middle it's both equally, and then you turn it like this and it's just the K&K. And this little switch here is to switch on or off the battery, because normally your plug is the switch. So when you have like a normal active pickup, if you leave in the plug, the battery gets drained, so you always have to kind of remove the plug. And yeah, I had to kind of add the switch, so yeah, it doesn't drain the battery. But other than that, yeah, so this is the Noll N1, and you see it has these two knobs here, and you can change the gain of these two whatever pickups you put on there. So the gain of the Nanomag and the Pure Bass, the K&K, you can individually kind of tune, so more or less gain. And yeah, this one is just the how much blend you're gonna have. Yeah, that's what it's called. I think it's a German company, and works very well. And yeah, as I said, we made some recordings and I will play them now. And I have to say we had some problems with the recording, so you maybe notice when you get like a call like this. this interference sounds, and throughout the video I repeatedly got like the sound back in the mix. I think somebody wanted to call me and on Neo, and it was like on was muted and kind of got into the mix. I don't know how it happened, but it happened, and I only noticed when I got back. So yeah, just that you know, when I cut, like have like an odd cut, it's because yeah, the video was not, or the audio wasn't usable, and unfortunately the part where Neo plays only the Nanomag, there were too many, like all the way, like this terrible noise, and so you will only see the K&K like pure, and then mixed both together, which is like the preferred yeah, way to use them, to mix both. And yeah, I hope you like the sound, and please let me know what you prefer and what you think about the sound and the combination, because I think it's a very nice nice solution and has a very nice sound, I think. And I might try out this Noll on different, like on guitars. So I had a customer just left today who wants to combine like two passive, like a mic and a transducer, wants to combine them somehow, and it's always hard to, you always are reliant on kind of what brands are out there, what pickups are out there, what to use. And with this I can kind of combine two, and I think it's really nice, and it also kind of makes two passive pickups into one active, and I think that's really cool. And yeah, it gets more gain, and yeah, it gets like an active pickup, and it's something I will try out more in the future. But for now, please enjoy the showcase and let me know what you think.